So look, I'm currently sick at the moment, but I want to do like a unboxing. I just wasn't sure if I was or not. But this is a Jewel House shirt, um, by Lil Boosie and stuff like that. In case y'all don't know who like the brand was from. Give me 1 second to turn down the TV. I'm over here playing Rocket League. So yeah, I have bought this I think from City Gear up at that time. So, and I have wanted to do like more of them because I got like 2 more boxes full that I bought like in 2017, and I'm really now unboxing them for no apparent reason why. But y'all stay tuned. Give me 1 second. There are the joggers to that. I'm not gonna open these up, but there's the joggers, and then the what is this? A jacket? This is a jacket right here. Pretty nice fit, just by telling them, by looking at it up overall. Nice fit. Can't wait to rock this sometime this week for class, either on Tuesday or Thursday. So there goes that one fit. Then I got 2 more boxes over here. Got this one box right here. Bam, the other one. Alright, so anywho, here goes the second box. I ain't gonna show the information, but look, y'all can see. And some people, they'll probably like watch this and say, nah, you probably just put the clothes in there. Look, y'all can believe what y'all want to believe. There goes a shirt. Jewel House. And in the comments, do not say, why you just now unboxing them? I have no idea. That's another one. I think this is like a hoodie, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's like a hoodie. I'll just go ahead and do those right there. And then this doesn't go with the outfit, but let me see. That could go with them red pants outfit. Yeah, something, I'm not sure what's going on, but I think his website's down for the meantime. I don't know why. What is this? Oh, there we go. I think this one was like the Biggie outfit or shirt. Hold on. That shirt right here. It was the Biggie something. There's a Shattered Shrieks and a block tee, then a Diamond Biggie polo. That has to be it. 6 items. I counted, what was that? 3, 4. And then that's the other one. Bam. This must be the, what the heck is this? I don't know. Probably has to be the block team. Fire though. Oh, what is it? And then there goes that for that one. Now let me go ahead and get the last box. 1 second. So look, here's the box. Look, it's still taped up, wrapped up, yada yada yada, all around. Bam. I got my information. Alright, we good. So hold it right there. I don't even know what's in this one. Oh, they double taped it. Hold on. And we're back. I know for sure it has a hoodie and joggers. Dang, this is old, man. It's gold and white. As y'all can see, gold and white, gold and white. Yep, these are here are the pants. Pants right there. Joggers, as most people call them. Sweat joggers, don't matter. It's all the same. This one's the next one. Oh, what is this? Another. I don't know. What I guess it's another polo. Has to be. So bam, this last one is like a. I think it's like a just a long sleeve sweater. Short little unboxing video because I haven't done one in so long, and I had these in my room for so damn long. I hope y'all enjoyed this little short 5-minute, 6-minute clip of me unboxing some clothes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Instagram and my Twitter accounts down below so y'all can follow me. Well, my @ name so y'all can follow me. Until then, this is UK Soon 54 signing out. Peace. Doses. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.